Meet the all-new Ford Transit FlexCab, the small van with big flexibility. Strong, capable, and surprisingly spacious, the Connect FlexCab offers exceptional practicality for everyday jobs. The extended L2 wheelbase gives you even more load capacity, with smart tie-downs, durable floor protection, and easy rear access designed for real-world use. Whether you're carrying tools, materials, or deliveries, every inch is built for efficiency and comfort on the go. Open the side door and step inside. Premium seats, quality finishes, and clever storage make every journey feel effortless. With Ford's innovative FlexCab system, the second row folds flat in moments, extending your load area to nearly 3 cubic meters. It's the perfect blend of cargo space and crew comfort, adaptable for whatever the day demands. Under the bonnet, the 2.0-litre EcoBlue diesel engine delivers 122 PS through a smooth automatic gearbox, offering efficiency and confidence on every trip. Inside, you'll find a 10-inch touchscreen, digital driver display, and smart driver assist technology for a connected driving experience. Ford Transit Connect FlexCab Active. Built for flexibility, efficiency, and everyday performance. Enquire today at 01782 444 289.